Dentro de 50 días
In 50 days,
tiene 1,50 metros.
it's going to be 1.50 meters.
Okay, Bob.
Y va a producir 16 hojas.
And they're going to have 16 leaves.
16.
16?
16 leaf.
Wow.
Y se recoge en 3 etapas.
Yes, yes, eso es lo que quiero. They're working over there in the plantation, you see?
Yeah. They're harvesting, so they're able to use these leaves.
Así una por una plantamos 200,000 plantas.
He say one by one, they planting 200,000 plants.
One by one.
One by one.
Wow.
200,000.
How many workers?
8 workers.
8 workers for 200,000.
And is it? Are they planting seeds or is it?
Oh,
what do
see,
they do?
the first,
The
they
sapling.
taking some kind of area, but they spray.
Ven para mostrárselo, ven.
Come on, show. To spray the seed. The seed of tobacco is very, very tiny one.
This is all
It's
hurricane
probably the
damage
second
here.
small seed in the whole world.
What are those right here?
Oh, those beans. I think I've seen, yeah, I don't know. It might be coffee. Because I think they had them. We'll have to ask. Yeah, but this is the, you gotta use the name, you know. As,
Hey, sneak a picture of me over there.
yeah, okay. On your camera?
Yeah, but it keeps going on video.
Yeah, I'm doing video right now. All the hurricane damage. Is tobacco?
No,
No.
coffee.
Coffee, see.
Ah.
Este es robusto.
Uh-huh. That's coffee beans, like I thought.
Robustos coffee beans.
You eat it?
Okay.
Sweet.
I'll try.
Yeah.
Una curiosidad. El café tostado amargo.
Bobby eating his coffee.
It's spitting out the sleep.
More hurricane damage.
El trabajo de toda una vida en una noche.
He says his work for all his life in one night was completely destroyed.
Well, somebody's full of shit.
The avocado tree.
What kind?
Avocado.
Wow.
All the avocado, the plátano, banana, plantain, all the fruit. Say a good plantation depends of a very good seed.
Quiet.
Silencio.
So these are the seeds of the.
Dentro de 10 días ya comenzamos a plantar.
In 10 days, they start to take the little plants and then the plants over there. They spray the sun and all that
The soil.
is tiny tobacco plants.
So each one
Individually.
It's so sandy.
They start taking the bigger one and planting.
It's very sandy. The soil.
Lo vamos a sacar.
¿Cómo tú la sacas? Enséñale. Show. Look, they're gonna show you how they take you out.
Ah,
One by one.
Esto es el segundo.
and one by one they plant 200,000 of them.
Jeez, free guys.
Hey, guys.
Tú lo mojas y tú vas plantando.
They wet very well the land and they planting one by the single. They open a hole and they break. They open the hole and they break.
Vamos a hacerle un tabaco.
Yes.
A lot of work.
It's very work. Very manual labor.
La única que se ríe es ciclón.
It's water. Huh?
Yes. The only
the
tree
fight
that's
back.
surviving
Yeah.
is a royal palm. It's a Cuban national tree.
This one. Nice. Another little chick. Hola. Let's come in here. Now they still have the barn full of tobacco or no?
They what?
Sometimes I've come